fashion fear. And I live in a skirt, our jeans are short shorts. Head raised when me walk past. Me feel the eyes, believe the eye. Me love the lights, me real spice.
Top of the morning, evening or night too, yeah? What you saying, my G's? It's Shantania back again with another video. I don't know why I'm doing. You know what? Yeah, well, my G's, you cool. So today I'm doing a summer look for ya, and I am putting on this sexy ass wig from Myfristwig. Guys, can you tell I cut it? That I'm the one who actually cut it. This is actually what I did. I put it in a rubber band, and then I just took the scissors and just went straight across. Guys, I am not a professional cutter. You know, I was just doing a thing and hoping for the best, and that's what happened when I cut it. And I was like, oh my god. And then I just took my really dead excuse for clippers and try to, you know, neaten up the back to the front a little bit. But the hair is so lovely, guys. It's such a nice pattern, curl pattern. Like, it's 18 inches in it, but I cut it to like 10 to 12 inches. I just saw like this girl on Instagram have hair like similar to that, and I thought, you know what, yeah, Shan, do short hair and see what happens. And literally that's what happened. So yeah, the hair is like a Malaysian curly lace front wig, and the front of it is like already pre-plucked, and the lace color is light, so it blends in perfectly. But I didn't really like the brown cap, so I changed it to black, and I prefer the black one because it just looks absolutely invisible. So I use my got to be glued spiking gel just for the sides, and then I just dry that with the blow dryer. And I just stick it down to the front of my head and just focus on each side of the lace. So basically the sides are always the hardest bit to stick down, don't you think? Like, it's so long. So I watch Gabby's videos all the time because obviously she's my G, you get me? Like, Gabby is my YouTube G and my, you know, in real life G, like proper G. So that's how she does it, so I copied her and then it works, and I'm like, yes Gabby, you're the plug. So yeah, if you don't know Gabby, she's GG Beauty, G Style. She's Badman, she's like amazing. But yeah, anyways, I'm just like kind of cutting a little bit of baby hairs and stuff like that. Guys, can you see how invisible that bloody lace looks? Like, it's just absolutely mad. Like alright then, my first wigs. Yeah, it's just great. So anyways, I'm using my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just making baby hairs now to set the wig, to just make it look like it's growing out my scalp. It looks like it's growing out my scalp, don't you think? Like, it's madness, like proper madness. And that parting in the middle, yeah, that's like a long ass parting. That's like at least 4 inches of parting space. So it's like a middle parting. I think you can do like high buns and stuff with this. It's not a 360 wig, so you can't really tie it up. You can try, but I prefer mine down. So yeah, I'm just securing the sides so that when the wind blows, the flaps don't just flap. Can you imagine the flaps just flapping up? Anyways, now you just tie everything down, man, and make sure that your edges are just like laid and stuff. And yeah, that's about it for the wig. So I put on some contact lenses. These are mesmerized silky grey, and they're like £5 from the hair shop. Bargain. Sorry guys, my bra's doing some madness, but you know, it is what it is. So let's just start with the makeup and stuff. I'm a bit excited. So I'm using the Smashbox primer oil, and I'm just priming my face and making sure that it's glowy and all that. Then using the NYX pore filler, the white one, and just, you know, filling in those pores. And then I'm going to be using the Benefit Matte Rescue primer just for the T-zone area because that gets so oily. Then my favorite foundation of all time, the Revlon Color Stay Foundation in Cappuccino. This is for combination to oily skin. I use my hands to apply this on first. That's why my foundation has been looking so sexy these days, guys, because I've been using my hands, and then I go over with this like brush that I got from BH Cosmetics, the buffer brush, and just like buff it in a little bit more, and it looked good. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in C13. It's finishing, guys. It finishes so quick, but that's what you get for £4 in it, so it obviously it's gonna finish quick. So I had to go in and like use my new one and add more to it because I like my concealer to be thick. So I'm just blending that out with the Real Technique sponge and on the forehead as well. And then I'm using the Beauty Bakery yellow powder, setting powder. And guys, what I do is I literally dab this in. I don't brush because it will smudge it, so I just literally dab into the creases, and then I did the side of my face and all that. Then I'm just filling in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in Ebony. Then, you know, doing my brows with that same concealer. Then just blending out the eye bit, the eye space, then set it up. I know I'm going through this quick, but trust me guys, you see me do that bit over time. So I'm just like using Jaclyn Hill palette, using the orangey color for like an all over shade. No special tricks. Then I'm using the other brighter orange color and then just putting that in the inner corners of the eyes. Then I'm using the, it's like a nude shade for the brow bone, and just like blend that all in. And I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush and just kind of make sure that there is no harsh lines and all that. You get me? So yeah, it's just the orange shade. You just blend away. Then I'm using like a nice gold shade on a flat brush and just putting like a little bit in the inner corner. And that's literally it. I spray the brush with Fix Plus just to make the color pay off a little bit better. Then I'm using my lashes from Love Lashes and just put them on. I'll leave the name of them in the description bar below. Now I'm just like blending everything out, setting with my L'Oreal True Match powder in Cocoa. Then the CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. I absolutely love this. I cannot live without it. I cannot live without it. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, I cannot live without it. It just makes my whole face warm. Like, oh bruh, I even use the contour. That's how deep it is. And I'm going to use my Sleek contour palette, and this is in the dark. And I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones a little bit more because I put on a bit of weight recently, you know. So yeah, we need the contour in a bit. Then I'm going to line my eyes with like a cream eyeliner from Primark. Then I'm going to go back in with that like orangey browny shade, put it underneath my eyes. And then we gonna do what? Highlight. Ofra Cosmetics highlighter, Ofra Beverly Hills, that's it, the gold one. Absolutely lit. I only use that one. Like, I use others, but this is my favorite one. So I'm just highlighting everywhere that the light hits. Set my face with 2 different setting sprays. I'll leave in the description bar below. Then I'm going to add some mascara. This is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Yeah, I don't know about the name, but yes. And then we're just going to add some lippy. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's a nude one. And I go over with my ColourPop one. And then Fenty one. And then Incredible Cosmetics one. And yeah, I'm going to leave everything in the description bar below, guys. It's just like a quick tutorial, man. The hair's looking fresh. Add some water. And you're just good to go. So I really hope you like this. Now cue in for me chatting away.
You're just a true double six like loading. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wind to the girl, it growing. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true double six like loading. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wind to the girl, it growing. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I really hope you like this look. I love this look. I'm not gonna lie, yeah. This hairstyle is inspired by Nikita Johnson. I know, I just really liked it on her, but I didn't want something super similar, but I wanted it kind of similar because I just think it's so like cute and just perfect for the spring summer holiday edition. I got this wig from Myfristwig, as I said before. This was 18 inches and I think I cut it to like a 10-12 inches, and I'm not the best at cutting, but I think I did quite a decent job. All I would say is just basically keep this wet. The wet look, I still haven't stuck this bit down yet, but I'm gonna later on. I would say that the wet look is the better look, so therefore just like I just dab my hand in water and then just like put it on the hair to keep it nice and wet and not too frizzy. Just, yeah, you can even put mousse in it to define the curls, so I might just VO5 extra hold body mousse, just like put a few, just a little bit like that, and then just brush it through the hair. And this will literally like make the curls like stay defined. Absolutely beautiful hair. This is Malaysian hair, by the way, guys. I just personally think it looks better shorter. It's just my honest opinion, but it's absolutely beautiful. The part in it, the front is pre-plucked. It's not a 360 wig, it's a lace front wig, and the lace color is like a light brown. like a light color, and then the hair color itself is a natural hair color. Absolutely beautiful. I really hope you like the makeup. It's very, like, can you see how glam it looks, yeah, without me having to do like these crazy techniques and all that. It's just absolutely madness. It's madness. Like, I absolutely love this look. Yeah, it's mad. But I really hope that you like this look, and I hope you can recreate it for your holidays, spring, summer. Just go out and slay. We're all about the glow up, level up. You get me? You get me? You get me? But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I do the bounce, fire bounce, like bounce, I do the verb with the